So the grind don't stop, we're crawling in CICELY.
Happy Sunday, ATC gang. We are doing a DIY Halloween movie night, and I wanted to kick off vlogtober with showing you guys how I set everything up for my kids. I'm starting out with some skeleton cupcakes. So this video is part of a collaboration with I'm Merely Melissa and Christy's Farmhouse. So make sure you check the link in my description box so you can see all of the fun October Halloween treats that everyone came up with. Y'all see, that's my secret ingredient right there. I like to add pudding. It just makes your cake mix and brownie mix especially tender. I love using my little mixer. It makes me feel like I'm running my own little bakery. So you want to go ahead and use whatever type of cake mix you like. My son chose red velvet, so that's what I'm going to do. Once you get everything nice and mixed up, you just want to take your time and fill up your cups halfway full. These little skeleton liners came from Walmart. They were actually a part of a package, so they're going to come with everything you need to decorate them, which you will see later on in the video. For everyone that's new to my channel, hello, let me stop and introduce myself. Hi, I'm Cicely. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys. This is one of them. He's Caden, and I have a baby, Daniel, and I have sickle cell. So I figured if I can make it through life with hospitalizations, I want to encourage you that you can make it through life with whatever is going on, and we can do it together. So if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe and join the channel. So all Caden's doing is taking some green food coloring. We use neon green and a regular dark green, and we're just going to keep mixing and adding 1 or 2 drops at a time to some whipped icing, because what we want to do now is get a nice dark green consistency, and we're going to go ahead and spread a nice thin layer on top of each of the Rice Krispie treats. You can buy these store-bought if you don't feel like sitting down to make them from scratch. And I was just showing Caden what to do, and then I went ahead and let him finish icing the top of the Rice Krispie treat. So I wanted to make like some green goblin popcorn, and I got the recipe correct. I just couldn't figure out, like, I guess the consistency so that the popcorn would come out awesome. But I thought it was going to be an absolutely fabulous idea. So we just popped the popcorn in the microwave for 5 minutes until it was done. We allowed our cupcakes to cool down. They baked in the oven for about 32 minutes. So once they're cooled down, Walmart has, see, y'all, I was so distraught. It burnt, and it burnt through my freaking bowl. So I don't know, maybe it was the corn syrup that caused the green mixture to burn up. But Walmart has this cool frosting in a can now, like whipped cream, to make it easier to frost. So my son is adding bones and then his little toppers, and we were finished with our skeleton cupcakes. So this time we said, okay, let's make the popcorn on the stove. But I got so excited, and I'm like, oh my God, it's starting to pop. So we, put that to the side, and we went ahead to start decorating our Frankenstein Rice Krispie treat. So once you do, what you do is put some melted chocolate in a bowl, and then you dip the top of the Rice Krispie treat in it to make his hair and let it run down a little bit. And I'm taking some candy eyeballs with chocolate on the back just to make the eyes. So the Rice Krispie treats were super easy. Everything was super easy, you guys. So I hope that you take this time to enjoy and make some memories with your fam. So now we're going to make some drinks. Everybody who, drinks alcohol, you know what I'm doing. I'm rimming the glass. I believe that's what it's called. And so we got some strawberry syrup to be on the outside of the rim of the glass. We added our 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. And then we're going to add some syrup and some Fanta. And put a special little thing on top, some vampire teeth, and this will be our vampire floats. My kids absolutely love these, you guys. And if you are still here thus far, go ahead and pop a Halloween themed emoji on the screen. I definitely appreciate your support. My son wanted me to put some vampire teeth in his mouth. And so for anybody who didn't want that type of ice cream drink, these are eyeball refreshers. The eyeballs are pieces of gummy candy, and you just make ice as normal. You put you some little blood, aka red frosting on the top, and there you go. You got a nice little treat that kids and adults alike will enjoy. So it was time to bring Caden down, and this is how everything turned out, y'all. We had a blast. The only issue is, I think because me and Caden made everything so spooky, my 2-year-old was like, no, he did not eat anything. He was scared of everything. So I'm like, oh, that must mean we did a good job. But y'all, it was so much fun recording this, and I hope you guys enjoy. And again, take some time to make some memories and spend time with your family during this spooky season. And I will see you back with another video. Happy Vlogtober, guys. Does it look good, Booski? You excited?
Like that shirt, subscribe, do that for CICELY. To the grind, don't stop, recording in CICELY. ATC on top of